Senator Amy?
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Chairman and Madam Chair. I'd just like to bring our attention to the general provision referred to earlier by Chairman Gatchalian. It's on IB 683 page between lines 52 and 53. And this refers to the prohibition on political involvement in cash distribution. So nakikita ko naman na talaga naman maganda ang mithiin nito. Subalit, sa kabila niyan, kinakailangan basahin natin ng maigi. Unang-una, wag natin limitahan sa cash kasi yung MAIP nga tulad ng pinaliwanag ni Senator Erwin, talagang hindi naman cash. Pero dapat sakop pa rin ito. Pero medyo mabigat rin ang wording kasi walang politikong present to participate in, to influence, or otherwise take part. Medyo mabigat kasi alam naman natin ang trabaho natin, taga-endorse, taga-recommend, lahat ng request natin sa tambak, siguro naman hindi mamasamain. Kaya gusto ko sana na i-review sana itong general provision. Palawakin siya kasi maganda ang mithiin na hindi lang cash assistance kundi lahat ng assistance. Tapos wag naman sakop lahat na halos may penalty pa. Kapag ando ng politiko, parang mabigat-bigat naman yata to. Higit sa lahat, I do believe that legally this is actually surplusage when in fact we already have the DAP ruling, which is very clear that politicians should not meddle in any way in the implementation of projects. Once the budget is passed, it's hands off to all legislators. Yun lang po, mere observation and perhaps an invitation to review this general provision.
Mr. Chair.